you guys that today we have a collaboration that
by God's grace, this was our spinning mill. Okay. Instead of tearing it down and rebuilding, we decided to build with nature. All the trees around are over 30 years old. So we built with nature rather than against nature and tearing down. So
concept of IKEA as well as this is the first sustainable retail store. Hey guys, I'm so excited to tell you guys that your girl has secured a deal with IKEA. So we are collaborating with IKEA. Their new conceptual store has opened up in Whitefield, and it also has a barn house as well. So there's a lot of sustainable architecture that is going outside, and this new conceptualized store, I wanted to take you guys and show you guys what's different and what we can find in IKEA. And it's also located at Essensai 06 Experience Center in Whitefield. If you guys are located at East Bangalore, it is so convenient for you. And the store opens up from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and they have a wide range of home furniture as well as where you can bring your ideas into reality. Tell you guys that today we have a collaboration, that is a collaboration with IKEA, because this is a conceptual store and it is very new. I am so excited to take you guys inside. So let's head inside. So I'm so excited to take you guys. This is a new conceptual store and you can close it. So many exciting things are happening. So before the store opens for anyone, we're going to capture the essence of it and the beauty of what's there, what IKEA has for us. Basically, I feel like this store is a game changer for anyone who's looking to spruce up their space. So this compact store has anything from personalized service, as well as they also have home designers that help you to plan everything from a single room to your entire house. So I learned about their process, so I thought I should tell you guys about it. It's very simple. First, what you do is that you book an appointment with a specialist or an in-house expert. And these in-house experts are not only available at Whitefield IKEA but also the Nagasandra one. They will help you guide you plan a full layout and also help you select certain products. Once these things are finalized, you can place your order online or else in the store, and also you can opt for options like home delivery or a quick pickup as well. And then, for example, if you really have problems to assemble your furniture yourself, you can always ask for the assembly service as well. Right now I'm heading to check out their modular spaces, and I'm gonna show you guys what this IKEA has for you. So enjoy the video. know, the IKEA store is actually located in Nagasandra. This is actually called the collection store. I call it the conceptualized store because it's a mini store where you can come and also collect your items, but also talk to people of IKEA closely with them to module some spaces. That's what I really like about this idea, this IKEA. And yeah, I'm kind of excited to see what's there. And next I'm heading to the barn house, so let's go to the barn house and check it out.